Students, we now talk about distance and displacement. Suppose from A is my house and B is my school. I go from A to B 10 kilometers and I come back 10 kilometers and I come back from B to A 10 kilometers again. So my total distance traveled will be 20 kilometers because I go and I come back. So distance traveled will be 20 kilometers. However, the displacement is the shortest distance between initial position and final position. So I go from A to B and come back to A, that means my displacement will become 0. So displacement is a vector quantity we know, and distance is a scalar quantity that we already know. So suppose I ask one of you to tell me, I go from X to Y 20 kilometers, X to Y 20 kilometers. So this is 20 kilometers, and then I come back. I go 20 kilometers and I come back 5 kilometers to Z. So what? Now I stay there. So what is the distance? So distance will be 20 plus 5. Distance will be 20 plus 5, 25 kilometers, and displacement will be shortest distance between initial position and final position. So from here to here the distance is 20 and this is 5. So this distance will be 20 minus 5, that is 15 kilometers. So that is the displacement. So gradually you will understand this. All right. What is the displacement and what is the distance? Suppose I tell you, you are moving in a circular path. Here you go for morning walk. You start from your home and you come till here. All right, and the radius of this ground is 7 kilometers. So you start from A and you go to B and you stay there. So suppose somebody asks you what is the distance. So the distance will be this length. So it will be 2 pi r by 2. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius 7 and divided by 2. So 2 gone, 7 gone. So you are 22 kilometers the distance you have covered. The distance you have covered is 22 kilometers. There is no way out in between. You have to go this way. So that is the distance you have covered. No, you know that the length, the circumference is 2 pi r. So half the circumference will be 2 pi r by 2. Now what will be the displacement? Can anybody guess? Displacement will be the shortest distance. So 7 kilometer plus 7 kilometer. How much is it? 14 kilometer. So this is the first thing we have to understand about displacement and distance. So gradually when you will get some questions, you will be able to do. So after distance and displacement, another quantity we have to know is speed. Speed is distance by time, and average speed is total distance by total time. Distance by total time. Now suppose this fellow, he took 5 hours to do this journey. In this question, suppose this fellow took 5 hours for this journey. So what is his speed? Speed will be equal to the distance he has traveled, that is how much? 22 kilometers by 5 hours. So 4.4 kilometers per hour he has covered. Alright, that is 4.4 kilometer. With a speed of 4.4 kilometer he has covered all this. But now if I come to velocity, so velocity is a vector quantity and its formula is displacement per unit time. Displacement by time. So what happens? His displacement was 14 km by 5. 2.8 kilometer per hour. From A to B you have to mention. From A to B, that is what is his velocity. So this is how we go about numerical. So little bit of changes will be there. The concept, if you know, you'll be able to do the sum. You always have to remember the shortest distance. Then you have to also remember Pythagoras theorem and a few formulas from geometry, especially of perimeter and circumference. Now suppose I further go, I told average speed is total distance by total time. So suppose a boy is traveling 50 kilometer in 2 hours, then he further moves 70 kilometer in next 2 hours, then he further moves 50 kilometers in 2 hours, suppose a boy moves, and then 70 kilometers in next 3 hours. So what is his average speed? Or they will tell there he's traveling in the same direction. So what is his average velocity? So average velocity is total distance, that is 50 plus 70 by total time. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 70 plus 50 is how much? 120 by 5. So it is 24 kilometer per hour. That is what is his average speed. If he is traveling in the same direction from beginning to end, then his average velocity will also be 50 kilometer per hour. Thank you.